The 2022 Shotgun National Selection System is out. Let's break it down. It's going to be 2 selection matches, one in January and one in the summer. Top 6 athletes from the selection match will be named to the national team. Those athletes can go to the World Cups in the spring. The top 6 athletes from the 2 selection matches added together will then be on the national team for the rest of the summer. Based on your scores there, you can qualify for World Championships in Croatia and the CAT Games. This one's pretty simple. Shoot well at the first selection match, go to international matches. Shoot well at the second, go to more international matches. Best of luck. Let's go USA!